Hey guys, welcome to Code Decode. Today we are very excited to announce the launch of our third Udemy course, that is Java Backend Mega Interview Questions and Answers series. Now this is a giveaway course and we will be providing free access to our 100 learners. The preference will be given for this giveaway to those who have rated and reviewed us previously on our Udemy courses and have been constant support on our YouTube channel and Udemy platform. Now why this course? So if you remember, many of you have shared that our YouTube content has been very helpful, but it was not always structured. Also, we have received a lot of requests for notes and documents to have a quick review. But because of the copyright issues, we were not able to share those documents with you. To solve this issue, now we have created a completely dedicated Udemy course, which is well structured, organized topic by topic. If you see here, it has already 308 lectures and it is divided into modules like core Java questions, interview questions, advanced Java questions, Spring Boot question, microservice, design pattern, solid principle, traps, AI interview questions, scenario based questions, and so on. So it's a very well structured course which is organized topic by topic, and also we have prepared a documented dedicated notes for each and every section. So if you scroll to one of the section, in the last part of this you can see the notes. And how does the notes look like? This is one of the example of how the document for AI section looks like. This is just one of the example of one of the section which is AI kind of section. So this notes makes it very easier to learn, revise and prepare for an interview in a systematic way. Now what you will get out of this course is, this is a continuously updating course. Right now we are just able to have 21 hours of on-demand course and content with 308 lectures. We are going to upload even more to this. And we are going to add more sections to this, like Kubernetes is remaining, a lot of things have been remaining. So you'll get 300 plus Java backend questions. You will get a structured learning path with all the major questions covered, a dedicated notes and document section for each and every module and section, a regular update with more questions and answers over the time. Our goal is to make this course a one-stop solution for your Java backend preparation. By completing this course, you will be confidently able to answer most of the Java backend technical questions. So if you see here, you have a lot of questions which are being asked in the interviews are covered here. Now you would ask me how to avail this course. So right now this course is listed at 589, but for our 100 learners who have previously rated us and have been a constant support, this is all free. For others, we have a discounted coupon also. So for let's cover the free part first. To claim your free access, please go to this registration form. The link to this registration form will be given in the description bar below. And you just have to fill your name, email ID, why you want this, your experience level, and submit. And we will compare those with whose we have support on our previous Udemy courses. So this form is very important. You can fill it and send this. And also you keep on filling. Even after 100, we will try to generate more free coupons for the next upcoming months. Whenever we have the quota for free coupons, we will give more free coupons. And if you have seen in the previous courses also, we have distributed a few courses even after giveaway was completed. So one small request, if you by any chance receive the free coupon, we have this very small request. Please leave us a good rating and review. Why we are asking this? Because just like YouTube recommendation videos with better engagement, Udemy also promotes the course that gives more positive reviews and more ratings. So the more genuinely good rating we will receive, the more visibility will be given to this course by Udemy. Your support actually helps us be motivated and continue the high quality content creation and regularly updating this course for you. Now, by any chance, if we miss the top 100 free coupons, what we have created is unlimited discounted coupon with the cheapest price. So you can scroll to this and enter the coupon here, the code decode cheapest, just like this, and you apply and your price will be as low as $3.99. Now this coupon is right now also available. It is unlimited. If you want to take it right away, take it right away at this price. This is unlimited and you can enroll anytime. You don't have to wait for us to share the free coupon code for you. Now to conclude this giveaway video, we thank you for being the constant support in our journey and trusting us and engaging us a lot through Udemy and YouTube platform. We hope this course becomes the go-to resource for your Java backend interview preparation and helps you crack your next Java technical interview with confidence. Happy learning.